So this video is talking about the S3 more about factorization. So here, when we see that when we are factorizing this u square minus xu plus 15, this one will probably use the cross method. We will use cross method as taught in the lesson. However, actually we can use some skills to handle it. So we will in this video we will talk about mainly about the skills, how we gonna do this question, and then going back to submit the also cross method to me. So for when we are thinking about using cross method, we think about the skills with mode 1. Check again, see that if your calculator is in mode 1, so you can press mode and 1, COMP, and then press formula 01. Formula, where is formula? So you see that the orange color, FMLA, and then you press it. So the calculator will ask you formula number. So you type in the 01. And it will ask you about the A, B, and C. What it means by A, B, and C? For A, it will become the coefficient of the unknown square. So you see that I got a square here, means that, okay, unknown. So for this part today, now we are going to talk about the u square, the coefficient of u square. So for A will be the coefficient of u square. Then we'll input 1. Then we will input 1 exe. Then it asks you about the B. What is B here? B will be the coefficient of u. Okay, coefficient of u here. So today your B will be -8. Your B will be -8. C? Okay, the calculator shows that it's asking you about the C. C will be the constant. So what is the constant here? Will be positive 15. Will be positive 15. Okay, so you got two outputs. Number one, the calculator shows you it will be 5. So you mark down 5. And then you press again, exe again. You got 3 here. So mark these two down. But does it mean that 5 and 3 directly to be your answer? It's definitely no. According to the lesson, we told you that you have to do what? You have to think backward. Okay, think the reverse cases. So for 5 plus 5, we're going back to think about the u minus 5. And then the 3 will think about the u minus 3. Remember, today it will be u, not x, okay? It is not necessary to have the x all the time. Today we got u square, then it should be u here. So we directly can get the answer from formula 01, but just you need to do the reverse cases. When you see the positive, change it into negative. Okay, so it's the case that when you see the integer, then you swap it. And then how you're gonna get back to the answer, what you need to write when you're having exam. So you can write about equals to u minus 5 and u minus 3. However, you have to write down the cross method. You have to show me the cross method. So you have to copy it. U cross, and then -5, -3. -3u, -5u equals to -8u. Then this will be a full mark presentation. So actually your part is just having an easy job. You need to only type in the formula 01, type in all the values needed according to the questions, and then you got the output from from the calculator. You don't need to guess any pairs. You don't need to guess any pairs. So it can directly give you the answer, but just you need to think about the reverse cases, and then you directly copy it to your answer. But don't forget, because in your exam, cross method it works. It also costs 1 mark. So please don't forget the cross method. Just copy it from your answer is okay. So now you have learned the first part of having the Formula 01 as your skills when you're having the cross method. So let's try the next questions.